Hey there, budget buddies. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips for managing your finances with tools like Goodbudget. Today, we're diving into a straightforward task: how to delete envelopes in Goodbudget. If you've been using this app to track your spending, you know envelopes are key for allocating your money. But sometimes, you need to clean house. Maybe an envelope is no longer relevant, or you're streamlining your budget. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this in just a few taps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Goodbudget app on your phone or computer. Once you're in, head over to the Envelopes section. This is usually found on the main dashboard or in the menu. Look for an icon that looks like a folder or a wallet. Now, find the envelope you want to delete. Tap or click on it to open the details. Next, look for the Edit or Options button. In Goodbudget, this might be a three-dot menu or an edit icon next to the envelope's name. Select that, and you should see a list of actions, including delete or remove envelope. Before you proceed, a quick word of caution. Deleting an envelope will remove any balances associated with it, so double-check if there's money in there that you want to transfer elsewhere first. If you're good to go, confirm the deletion when prompted. The app might ask for a final yes to prevent accidental mistakes. It's all about keeping your budget safe. And just like that, you're done. The envelope should disappear from your list, freeing up space in your budget setup. This process usually takes less than a minute, making it super easy to keep your financial organization tidy. If you run into any issues, Goodbudget has helpful support resources in the app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your next budgeting question? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay savvy.